You're watching how to change Instagram password. Open the Instagram app and ensure you are logged into your account. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down within the Settings menu and tap on Account Center. In the Account Center, select Password and Security, then tap on Password. You will be prompted to enter your current Instagram password for security verification. After entering your current password correctly, you can now enter your new password in the New Password field. Re-enter the same new password in the Confirm New Password field. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering the new password twice, tap the Change Password or Save button at the bottom. Instagram will confirm that your password has been successfully changed. This change takes effect immediately. You will be logged out of Instagram on all other devices where you were previously logged in. You will need to enter your new password the next time you log in on those devices. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in the same password and security section. This process helps protect your account from unauthorized access. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.